Peace and blessings. Different World BG here. Got something real special for the surfers and skaters. This is a new unboxing episode. Just got these in on deck. This is the Cubascape Manual, exclusive and very rare collaboration with DC Shoes. What you see here is a bunch of tags showing that it's highly eco-friendly and made from sustainable fabrics. So that's definitely a good look for the environment. You know, the skate culture and the philanthropy of Cubascape is really showing through in this collaboration. It's a real clean silhouette. They went with the olive green canvas. You got the Cubascape woven label on the tongue and minimal, very minimal DC branding, you know, around the shoe in general, just on the rear and then on the bottom sole like this. The shoe is real light too, you know, it's a classic silhouette. And the inside, if you look on the inside, you see the DC Shoes Cubascape collaboration, just solidifying, you know, this union of brands, which is tight. Now, if you got the Friends and Family edition, there was only 11 of these out, for real. If you got the Friends and Family edition, you got a pair of the navy blue everyday athlete socks, sold nowhere exclusively. So, you know, we about to throw these on right now. We got this cipher complete. This is what the on foot shot looks like, right? It's always important to make sure you check how the feet pieces look on foot first before you step out in the streets. So this is how it looks on foot. It's a real smooth look. You can rock this with a pair of shorts. You can rock this with a pair of pants. It's diverse, and we're excited to skate these. Massive shout out to Cubascape, our homies. Big respect. Thank you all for shopping by the Sold Nowhere shop. Stay tuned for new drops and new unboxings. Peace.